Leather is undoubtedly one of my favorite materials of choice. It is timeless and elegant, and lifelong robustness makes it special. If you invest in high quality leather, caring for it should ensure lifetime use. So let's look at how. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here and like minimalistic menswear, please consider liking, subscribing, sharing this video, as this would really mean a lot to me. And today's video is about how to take care of your leather goods. Now, leather is, like I said, one of the favorite materials I own, and I own a lot of it. Most of my accessories, if not all, are leather. Since you invested in high quality leather, you should probably take high quality care of it, because it's going to patinate, age, and serve you beautifully, and probably preferably last you a lifetime. So this is an assortment that I've made out of trial and error, and I've always been in shoe care for like the last decade. So I've worked with a lot of products from a lot of different companies, and this is my ultra minimal final station. And if you have these products, you don't need a single product more. So let's dive right into it. Starting first with my favorite one from the lot, it is the Saphir Creme Universal. This is a conditioning cream, and if you can see the images here on the label, it's meant for most of all of your leather goods, including purses, shoes, leather couches, and jackets. So this is the ultimate one. Even if you choose to have just one, this could be it, because this really is a high quality conditioner. You can easily find this on Amazon, and this is Saphir, who is one of the best, if not the best, manufacturer for leather care in the world. They're from France, and this cream is really high quality. It really conditions your leather. A little goes a long way, and it smells fantastic as well. I usually condition my leather once every few months, or when I notice that it goes dry, and use a pea-sized amount on my fingertip, and I just gently rub it in. It absorbs. You have to let it be for a while, preferably overnight. I just leave it. When I left it to condition, I leave it to condition, and it ends up with a soft, glossy, matte kind of finesse, which you can buff it down if you're not choosing to polish your leather. Product number 2, I would say you should have a mink coil. Now, this is from a company called Jobsite, and I found this on Amazon. It's fairly decent. It is in the liquid form, but you also get them in a sort of wax balm kind of a form. This is to again condition your leather, but also make it soft and supple. This is really good when you get new leather, especially on shoes, where you want to dry it out, where it's dry out of the box, and you want to condition it. It really helps to break in the leather, so your shoes are going to break in fast. I highly recommend this. And it also adds a layer of protection against the elements like salt and snow if you live in a colder place. This is not to be used on suede like the Saphir one. Is also not to be used on any suede or nubuck. They are all for soft leathers. Next up is the high quality brush, which is a horsehair brush, which is essential if you want to keep your leather dust free and also buff it up after you added some polish or condition. This is from the brand Collonil and is made in Germany. It is a very high quality, I think this is beechwood and horsehair, and it really is fantastic to dust off any particles on your leather. This can also be used on your coats, as long as you make sure that there's no polish on the top of this, and it is very high quality. Again, you can find this in the description. Most of it is available on Amazon, but I would highly recommend Collonil because they have very high quality. No bristles, are super soft, and also you can see they are super aligned, like it is speaks high quality on everything. Moving on to the next one, which is again from the same brand, Collonil, which is a German brand, like I said. Now, this is a more affordable, I would say, an affordable alternative to Saphir, which is considered to be the crown jewel or the king of leather care. I think Collonil would be the close second, because they are a German made, and you know, they speak volumes in terms of their quality, like everything German. And this is again very high quality cream. It is Supreme Creme Deluxe. This is a conditioning cream but also adds color. It's made up of natural waxes and oils, and it is supposed to nourish the leather but also rejuvenate color a bit. So as long as you have dulled out leather, you can use this. Let me show you. I got mine in black because most of my stuff is black. This is a very gel-like, cream gel-like paste, and little goes a long way. Along again, with most of the leather care, you should use little to make sure that you don't over saturate anything, and more can always be applied. This is gonna again condition and make it supple, but also add some color and bring out the life if your leather's gone dull through age. Make sure to follow the instructions, and this is supposed to set in after 20 minutes. So that rule of thumb should be applied, because otherwise the polish is not gonna set properly and you can buff and it's not gonna look a certain way. Again, this is very high quality. I highly recommend. You can even get this neutral if you have colored leathers, not to be used on suede. Once again, and nothing is ended in polish and leather care without mentioning Kiwi, which is a household name and everyone has grown up looking at these tins. This is again not bad for the quality. They also make another one. This is a hard wax black. You can again get this neutral, not to be used on suede. Everyone knows what a wax does. This is to add a touch of polish, gloss, high mirror finishes. I like to polish my shoes, especially the toe cap and the heel. And I love to, sit and mirror shine, because I think the exercise itself is meditative. If you are into that and want me to do a mirror shine video, I'd be happy to. Make sure to thumbs up and like this video. And finally, the last piece is a shimmy cloth, which is a flannel cotton cloth from Kiwi. I like this cloth. You can find it easily at the supermarket or Amazon again. It is very fast and effective. As you see, I made a good use of this. It is highly effective at polishing out, the finished touches of your high gloss mirror shine, and it's fairly cheap but very nice. I like the size and the quality of this one. So with that in mind, if you have the arsenal of these 6 to 7 products that I shown today, you should be able to take care of your leather and keep them in a very high quality. And if you like this video, once again, thanks for tuning in. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and until next time, laters. Bye-bye.